Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Automation is huge and so are children running around in the background. But we're looking today at Hunter Douglas PowerView roller shades and how we're going to tie it in with Alexa. So we just installed these quickly here at home in Reno, and you can see across here that you have 4 shades and the light is filtering through. Now we can use the remote control or we can use the app, but we also have set up Alexa voice control here. So we're just going to give it a command by voice and let's watch how it happens. I use the word Alexa and it's talking to me. That's
Alexa, turn on open family room.
So as you can see, it's working even though Alexa is talking about something random in the background.
I think she's talking about trolls.
Okay. So go ahead and run it the other way.
Alexa, turn on close family room.
Pretty spectacular, really, cool. Just to have the ability to, hope I'm not too close up here, to have the ability to use your voice to give a command, like if you're sitting down to watch a movie or you're going to bed and you don't want to find a remote or anything, you could just go ahead and give it a voice command and it works perfectly. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.